In this video, I'm going to show you how to add samples to Serato Studio. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is find the sample you want to add. So we can go to audio samples over here, and as you can see, I do have a few ones over here because I have some packs installed. But if you don't have any, you may be, of course, able to see just an empty list. So in that case, you have to get some samples. You could go ahead and go to their official website, for example, and get some sample packs over here. You'll simply be able to click on any of these. So if I click on, for example, this one over here, it's going to download it, and now this pack can be opened by simply clicking on it once it downloads. So once it's done, you can simply click on that specific pack and it's going to automatically install within seconds. So if I just go and click on it now that it's downloaded, there we go, I'm going to click on it and it's going to be automatically installed in here. You'll see it's going to pop up in just a few seconds. If it doesn't, you simply have to restart. So just close down your Serato Studio, reopen it, and it should be in here. There we go. It just installed, and here we have some samples. Now in here, to actually add samples, you want to go to the top right and click on add sample, and it's going to add a sample like this, and then you can use any of your samples over here, drag and drop them in here, and from here you can then use them, combine them, etc. Okay, so that's how to add samples to Serato Studio. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.